Hey guys, welcome. So if you can't access your old Facebook accounts because you lost email or phone number, well, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your account easily in a few simple steps. So guys, firstly, you need to go to this page right here, which is facebook.com/login/identify. So this basically will let you identify your old account. So as you can see, there's this field. Please enter your email or mobile number to search for your account. So basically what this gives you is you type in any basically information you remember. In our case, it's going to be either email or phone number. And this little tool lets you analyze and actually find your old account so that we can actually start recovering. Right, and after that, after inserting, if your profile shows up, just click on it. Now you'll be asked to send a code to your old phone or email, which is typical. But since you don't have access to them, click no longer have access to these and question mark. And after that, Facebook will now let you verify your identity with an official ID. You can upload a photo of your passport, driver's license, or any government-issued documents. So make sure also that the name matches your Facebook account. And guys, pretty much after you submit the form, Facebook will review it and typically respond via email in 24 or 48 hours. If approved, you'll receive a link to reset your password and recover access. And also guys, a very cool tip: if you had set up trusted contacts, you can go to the recovery page and use their help to get a code and unlock your accounts. So that's pretty much how you do this, guys. Just enter this page and it will help you and basically assist you all the way through. Also, don't forget to have your documents ready so that you don't waste too much time. So guys, if this helped, press like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.